Hello, I'm Eleanor Abadi.
And I'm Julie Simon.
We are both co-founders of Cobalt Contraception. We are both engineers from IMT Atlantique, a French engineering school in Brittany on the west coast of France.
We are developing a thermal male contraception underwear, a natural, reversible and non-invasive method. Thermal contraception was invented within the innovation unit at the Toulouse University Hospital over 40 years ago. It consists of mechanically raising the testicle into the body. There is no external heat applied, it is solely the body's natural temperature of 37 degrees that stops sperm production. This method is more than 98% effective, and thanks to our Cobalt underwear, men will have the choice to control their fertility with a contraception method that is both stylish and effective as it is certified as a medical device. So, how does it work? It's a regular piece of underwear that is worn for 15 hours a day, every day, just like any normal underwear.
On the market, there are over 10 different contraceptive methods available for women, such as the IUD, the pill, and the implant. For men, however, the only options available are condoms and vasectomy. All these birth control methods have varying degrees of negative side effects and come with a significant mental load. These factors have led men to turn to alternatives, and in France, there are estimated to be around 10,000 users of thermal contraception. They use uncertified devices manufactured in workshops. Nowadays, users lack essential information to properly follow the method.
Our mobile app will centralize this data, allowing users to track their contraception over time, log daily wear hours, and store this information in a calendar. This insight will also support doctors in monitoring their patients. Our digital tool will improve both user experience and effectiveness. We aim to integrate an AI-powered at-home sperm analysis feature, making the method more accessible. No consumer-friendly spermogram solution exists today for monitoring male contraception.
The market is in need of alternative solutions that pose no health issue for users. In France, 73% of men say they would be willing to take responsibility for contraception. We are working with the Textile Institute, with whom we have completed the prototyping of our underwear. We are collaborating with the Toulouse University Hospital to draw up the protocols, and we are working with a regulatory consulting firm to ensure that our medical devices comply with regulation. Our next steps are to validate our proof of concept, find manufacturing plant in Europe to produce a mini-series of our product, and to raise funds to finance further research and development. We plan to start clinical trials of our product in 2026, with marketing in 2028. With the Cobalt Boxers, we aim to give everyone the freedom to choose contraceptive method that best suits them.